Greetings for all. How are you all? I'm Jeff Fagundes. I'm from Brazil. I'm an IP member and a member from ITI Brazil, and I'm so excited to be here. We passed through difficult times, and right now, this assembly is a thing that can be putting on a flame on our hearts and get hope for us. Before the pandemics, the Brazilians are passing through an economic and a political crisis that just fired a lot of cultural workers here. We have a 7.1 million people that work with culture here. And in the pandemics, we lost 870,000 jobs here in Brazil, but we are passing through with a lot of creativity and faith that everything is passing through. We made a NIP Fest online right now in the last 2 weeks, and that was very exciting with people of around the world, and we achieved a lot of things with all the representatives on Brazil and around the world. We are so happy to collaborate with Colombians, with the Zimbabwe Center. We are very happy to collaborate with the NIP folks that we will be presenting in the end of this assembly. I will show a video with a collective group from Brazil and the answer that they have to these pandemics. They are just moving on and they are doing all the stuff they was supposing to do in this year online with an app. So I think the answer of everything that we was passing through in the last year, we are involving and trying to survive and being together with our public. Without the people, the theater cannot survive. So thank you so much. I will show the video right now. And if you need something for ITI Center Brazil, you can send an email or follow us in the social media, because we are here to collaborate with a lot of, with all of you, because we are here to connect, okay? Uh, so we have to move on, and thank you so much for the space to talk to you all. Thank you so much, HI, to provide this platform to we can stay together and fortify together to passing through these tough moments.